morning, everyone, and welcome back to another week of Nexus Grain Market Updates. It is Tuesday morning, December 16, 2025 at 10:51 a.m. Let's get to the markets. Corn right now is down 4 pennies a bushel. Price of corn is $4.07 to $4.08 across the Nexus terminals at the very moment. That price is past 30 days. It still puts us up about 8 cents on the month for a bushel of corn. Corn has had its little flurry. It kind of followed the soybean market up, a little more on the bean market in a minute. But corn is still pretty well holding its own, even with being down 4 pennies today. Soybean market is certainly not faring nearly as well. I am $9.93 to $9.96 per bushel. That is down 11 cents on the day so far. That price compared to the same price a month ago, let's take a good look at it here. It's down 85 cents. So considerable amount of pressure has been weighed on the bean market. Really, you have two things going on. Again, lack of Chinese business. We've seen the bean market fall considerably over the course of time. Each week that goes by goes on without any more news of export demand to China. And the double whammy today is the realization that the demand for soy oil isn't coming to the fruition that it was expected. Soy oil right now is down on the day about a little over 2.5%. Price of soy oil right now is trading at around 48.66. That is down considerably from a high that was set middle of the month around 56 cents a pound. So soy oil is down considerably because of, again, the anticipation of big demand for soy oil as a base stock for renewables isn't coming to fruition. With that said, the processing industry is slowed down considerably. October, we did experience a very, very high crush number, 227.6. That's million bushels in the month. November was down quite a bit from that, more than 11 million bushels. We were off. We were at 216 million bushels crushed for the month of November, and that actually checks in right at the bottom of the average guess of 213 to 224. Still a record number, but disappointing nonetheless, and the market's really feeling that. I did check out a report from last week. We used to call it the census report. It's a federal report, comes out monthly. Inedible usage of soy oil, again, that's for fuel purposes. That disappearance has been somewhat disappointing. So I'll leave it at that. I will tell you that the oil content in the 2025 production soybeans is proving to be holding up pretty well, coming up with about 11.5 pounds per bushel, according to the data that's been released so far. So that looks pretty good. Export inspections from yesterday. Again, I've already touched on the lack of Chinese business for soybeans. Corn number is really good, 62.3. I'm sure you've all heard that by now. Where we're at right now is the corn market is indeed tracking about 10% above pace to hit that 3.2 billion bushel gross total sales mark for the 25-26 crop year. Soybeans, very disappointing number, 29.2. Average guess 36.7 to 45.9. So that never fails to disappoint us. We're off a whopping 17% of necessary pace to hit the number of 1.635 billion bushels to be exported out of the country this year. Every week that goes by, our carryout keeps going up. I've asked several people, what do you really think the market's trading for a bean carryout? And numbers vary from anywhere between mid 300s to mid 500s today. So stand by for what that may actually bring. Other than that, that's about it for news today. I will tell you that you're going to be seeing something new show up in your mailbox, your email box. As a grain staff, we will be rotating among staff members and sending you a weekly newsletter. Just hopefully a short 5-minute read, provide you with some insight that you wouldn't ordinarily see. We do ask you to provide us with some feedback. We strive to provide you with a quality product, something that's of value to you, and we thank you for your business. Again, Nexus Cooperative, you own the company, and we are here to provide everything you need to produce a crop, inputs to marketing services. So thank you very much for everything, and please reach out to one of us. And have a good day. Goodbye now.